This oil that can instantly reduce toothache or pain from a tooth. Clove oil. Does it really work? The answer is yes. Clove oil is from clove tree. It's a spice that contains something called eugenol. Eugenol have been known to soothe tooth for centuries. That's why most dental products contain eugenol, temporary fillings, and things like that. So yes, if you're having a toothache that flares up from nowhere, it will help you to put clove oil in it. But be careful. Don't just pour the oil into your mouth. It can burn you. It's that strong. It can burn your gums and stuff like that. But a cotton swab is enough. You can put it on your toothache. You will soothe your gums and stuff till you can see a dentist. Because what people don't understand is the teeth is different from the rest of your body. The teeth is kind of weird. That means it's own masquerade. I see some patients, they will tell me, oh, give me antibiotic. I'm swollen here, I'm swollen there. It's not that simple. Okay? With tooth, you must address the problem. Medication alone will not take care of it. So you can put clove oil in it, it will soothe it, but that's only till you can see your dentist. Otherwise, the pain will come back. That is just it. Like I said, the tooth is a different breed altogether. It requires special attention. Okay? So, does it work? Yes, but only temporarily till you can see your doctor to take care of it. I've seen it. There's so many people claiming that this will cure a toothache and this will rebuild your tooth, this will stop your cavity and all that. Lies. Once tooth structure is damaged, nothing can reverse it. It's as simple as that. You have to treat it and put artificial material there to build back up the teeth. So when it comes to teeth, prevention is key. All those things that people are claiming, do this, do that, this will reverse, that will reverse, erroneous. That's my area of specialization. And I can tell you what works and what doesn't work. Thank you for watching. Until next time, may God bless you. This oil that can instantly reduce toothache or pain from a tooth. Clove oil. Does it really work? The answer is yes. Clove oil is from clove tree. It's a spice that contains something called eugenol. Eugenol have been known to soothe tooth for centuries. That's why most dental products contain eugenol, temporary fillings, and things like that. So yes, if you're having a toothache that flares up from nowhere, it will help you to put clove oil in it. But be careful. Don't just pour the oil into your mouth. It can burn you. It's that strong. It can burn your gums and stuff like that. But a cotton swab is enough. You can put it on your toothache. You will soothe your gums and stuff till you can see a dentist. Because what people don't understand is the teeth is different from the rest of your body. The teeth is kind of weird. That means it's own masquerade. I see some patients, they will tell me, oh, give me antibiotic. I'm swollen here, I'm swollen there. It's not that simple. Okay? With tooth, you must